this video we go to the second part of chapter 2.8. Last sub-chapter we talk about the changeable and the non-changeable type, and this one is we are talking about this copy. It's not our built-in this module. You need to import the module. What we are going to do is if you want to initialize two same changeable type of variable, the above method is you can do the assignment of the values separately. But most of the time we will face the challenges. We don't want to hard coding our code. For example, you don't know the initial value. You cannot do the direct assignment. What's that way we can do? So the answer is we use this copy module to copy the object. When you do the copy, you can start to face this, what are the part of the object is being copied. So that's why we have our, I call this light copy. It's just called copy and deep copy. So these are two methods. Let's just have our try altogether. 2.8.2. So let's first is the light copy. So just the copy, and deep copy is deep copy. So let's go to the first one. So since because it's our additional module, so first let's ensure we have this module. So use this import. After you do the import, you can just try to run. If there's no error message coming, that means this module is actually found, no matter it's from your existing folder or from the system folder. So that is working first. So now we can continue to do this. Let's use again our earlier mode, this sample. So we have our apple and our banana, and we have our fruit too. We use this copy dot copy is the light copy. So we copy from 1. So we do print ID fruit 1. And then here we print ID fruit 2. So let's run this. We got two different address. So no matter is if we don't know the this copy the list value, so we can still use copy to make that as our the different part, different list. So this is like here we do this assignment double times, not like the first one. First one is we see fruit 2 equal to fruit 1. So that's not the copy, that's just the mirror. The address is still same. And then let's do this fruit. We change fruit 1's value. So change this to peach. Then let's print fruit 1's address, print fruit 2 address, and we will see here. You can see, so change fruit 1 doesn't change the fruit 2. So we can also print fruit 2. So now let's see whether fruit 2 is changed. No, because we still keep the original value. So that means you are not making the fruit 1, fruit 2 interrelated. They just like two, the separate or different list through this copy. And then we will see the another the this sample. So let's make import, and we have this one. So let's make those, import our copy, and you see here is a complex structure, is a list within a list. So that is one interesting sample we want to show you. So pineapple is on the level 1 list. Then we have a level 2 list. It's a mobile computer. So list and fruit 2 equal to copy.copy fruit 1. So we will try to print ID fruit 1, ID fruit 2. Oh, maybe we print value. So as the sample. And then here we change that to 2. Let's check. So first, their 2 addresses different through the copy, and then the content is same. So let's now do the change. So fruit 1, let's change the 0 first. So as we test in the first sample, if I change this the 0 in the level 1, it should not change our fruit 2's the content. So let's see here, apple is changed from pineapple, but the fruit 2 is still here. And now let's do the level 2 list change. We can leave this the apple because it's just in the level 1, and you can see here is a different part. So now let's change on the 1 and 0 to tablet. Let's see. So that is the fruit 1's. So second, this is changed on the tablet, but the interesting thing here, this second is changed. So what was the reason for that? It's very interesting. So that is because our copy is the light copy. So they only copy level 1. So if you have our level 2, even is are changeable, the type, there will be no copy. So that part will be still in the just the mirror. So when you change the fruit 1, so this second part is just also impact the first one. But this definitely is not what we want, because that is kind of the out of control. So let's go to the solution is if we want to do this, what we need to change is add the deep. So we just add a deep. Let's see what happened. So now you can see here, the very clear, the deep considered the non-deep copy is through deep copy. You are really make this 2 list never interrelated again. So that is definitely the 2 different lists. So when you try to solve the 281's this double assignment this issue using copy, please distinguish what are the light copy, what are the deep copy, what you need. So that is will be some traps and not easy to do the troubleshooting. But you now know is if you really don't know why is the value is changed or not, you can also use ID to find out their real the memory address. So that is our very useful approach to help you find out the bug. Thank you for your watching, and we finished the chapter 2.8, and we will move 2.9 next video. See you then.